welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to repair universal AC control, and the model is QD-U12A. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to replace the output relay, and this is a 30 ohms relay at 12 volts input and 220 output. One of our client complained that aircon is not cooling, so when I check up, the relay is malfunctioning, so it's time to replace this, guys. And this is a 5-pin, and I have with me a 4-pin. I'm going to borrow it, same aspect, and this is a control of a refrigerator, so let's borrow it because it's still locked down and you can't order online. So just replace that one and solder, and later, guys, we're going to test if it is successfully. Pipe sensor, we're going to test, guys. Okay, after replacing the output relay, I'm going to test. Okay, pipe sensor, room sensor. Okay, so red for red, white for white, and step down transformer, 220 input, plug in here, and 12 volts output, which is the blue, and just plug in there. Okay, and the receiver, going to plug in here. So this is the display, and we're going to put a loader. Okay. Load for the indoor motor with the evaporator, and compressor load. Okay. And my AC line, and this is my live, and this is my neutral. So neutral of the evaporator fan motor, and neutral for the compressor load is top here. Okay, I use connector now. This is my evaporator. One of the wire goes here. The low, I'm going to plug into the low, and my live wire I'm going to plug in here. Okay, and my neutral going to plug in here. Okay, and my compressor board, which is the LED light, one of the line is going to plug into the compressor. Okay, okay, I need to plug in my AC source here. Fan motor is activated now, and let's wait for the delay, and let's see if the load for the compressor will light up. The issue of this universal control is the compressor won't continue. So the troubleshooting is done. I replaced this with new one. Now it's time to repair the board. Okay, now I show you on how to replace the output. And all I have done is I borrow this output relay from here and install there. Okay. It's working, guys. If you like this video, guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thank you. It's working. So if you encounter the same, just do what I did here. Thank you for watching.